Hello, sir. I'm Chandrasekhar. I came actually at Sirpur Kagaz Nagar. I'm in Adilabad district. So I came at 2008 here. 2008, but that time I don't know anything here. But the SCW is very helping to me. And is first time I came at the SCW from office over there. Amirpet in front of Prime Hospital over there, but he's very helping to me. But that time is I know money anything, but he's give to me the 500 rupees on the first time, and that time is I'm on lots of things here, some city culture, lots of things, networking, how to be with other people and all everything. I'm learning here only, especially SCW. And so very helping to me because I can first my job is opportunity give to the SCW in Green Park Hotel in 2008, and then I do work over there in 6 months, and next I went to the Taj Krishna. I'm doing there 2 years, and next right now I'm doing in the hotel in Madhapur. Good opportunity. Thank you, SCW.